Hey everybody, we're going to talk a little bit today about the vagus nerve. So the vagus nerve, the word vagus comes from the root word meaning to wander, and it's a really cool nerve that starts in your brain stem and goes way down. It's a very long nerve and it controls a lot of different parts of our body, and we're not going to get into that, but what you do need to know about the vagus nerve right now is that it helps to stimulate a part of our nervous system called the parasympathetic nervous system. I know that's a long word, but essentially the vagus nerve, when it gets stimulated, tells us it's time to relax, it's time to rest, it's time to digest. You got two parts of your nervous system. The sympathetic is the fight, flight, freeze, get alert, time to rev it up. And the parasympathetic is let's calm down, let's sit, let's relax. Your vagus nerve helps to turn that part of our nervous system on. Sometimes we get kind of stuck in hyper alert mode. And that's when we maybe need to start to shift things over into this calm down mode, right? You don't want to be stuck in either, but I find a lot of folks I talk to, they're stressed, they're hyper vigilant. That's coming from being stuck in this sympathetic nervous system mode. So we're going to learn a way to help to stimulate your vagus nerve, which will help you do that rest, digest, relax kind of, nervous system turn on. And that's what we want. We want to turn on that part of the nervous system. So the nervous system, the vagus nerve particularly, can get stimulated in many different ways. You could by taking a cold shower, by singing, by humming, because the vagus nerve runs through your neck. So when you sing, when you hum, when you chant, you're vibrating your muscles, and that kind of stimulates your vagus nerve. But I'm going to show you another way you can do it. So you can stimulate your vagus nerve by doing this really cool, very quick exercise. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hands and you're going to start to rub them and make them nice and warm. So that's what we're doing, rubbing our hands together, generate a lot of heat, okay? Nice and warm, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then you're going to gently just press your hands that are warm on your eyes, sorry. Do not press hard. If it starts to feel strange, take your hands off. We're just gently pressing. This will stimulate your vagus nerve. It causes a reflex that makes our heartbeat slow down, makes our breathing slow down, and tells us it's time to be calm. This is why babies rub their eyes when they're tired, because they're stimulating that relaxation. They're calming themselves down. They're getting ready to go to sleep, to rest. So that's what's happening. Now you know. But that's a very quick exercise. If you find yourself stuck in stress mode, you can't calm down, you're trying to rest, you're trying to go to sleep, try that next time. Again, don't press too hard. If it starts to feel strange, please stop. This is just to kind of chill you out, okay? Just like when babies rub their eyes, that's the same kind of feel we're going for. This very I'm going to be calm, time to chill out now, okay? So now you know a little bit about your nervous system, the two sides of it, you know a little bit about the vagus nerve and some ways that you can stimulate it, which means to wake it up and say, hey, I need you to hop to it because I need to calm down. So that's just one way that you can do that. Thanks so much for checking it out. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.